case study, we are going to see about AI, in artificial intelligence, how the electrical vehicle is happening and what is going to happen in future AI of electrical vehicle. So I need you people to share some of your points related on this case study of so.
So basically, AI vehicles. So we have 5 levels. So level 1 and 2 are driven by not a fully autonomous vehicle. So they are driven by humans with help of few AIs like lane follower, airbag to indicate whether the vehicle is in a accident or something. So level 3, 4, 5 are the fully autonomous vehicles, so driverless cars. So in Tesla, Waymo, the Google has so with the help of AI, we can utilize what we can do.
Okay, so he's telling with the help of AI we can detect the airbags and we can detect how the movements are happening. Okay, so who's going to share your next point?
So I'm going to share how AI helps in today's modern automobile industry. So with the integration of AI with the ADAS system means that what is meant by ADAS means automatic driver assistance system. So most of the cars are applied using the ADAS system in the vehicles. So ADAS feature enables the users to drive the car smoothly as well as seamlessly. So when we integrating with AI means it can easily predict whether accidents are going to happen or in near future. So it also helps to park the vehicles in the parking slots accordingly. And then it also consumes or maintains the battery health when the car speed limits exceeds in certain level. So it also mainly restricts the usage of EV chargers in EV vehicles.
Okay, just telling that ADAS is an automatic driver system. So when it is an automatic driver system, we don't need any drivers to drive manually, right? So the control of it by using AI only you can control. So how will you say whether the EV charges is less?
So it basically understands the user's driving cycle now. So based on that, it will release the EVs according to the.
Okay, it will release the signals according or charges accordingly. Okay, so the next point.
Now I'm going to explain how we're gonna see the environment. Like for example, for humans we can see the environment through our eyes. For example, in cars there is a cameras and sensors, multiple sensors, and then there is a system which is called a slider, which is LIDA, which uses an ultrasonic or some kind of wave system, which passes a wave and reflects back. When it's reflected back, if there isn't any object or anything, that distance and what is that object and everything can be mapped using the AI. So using that AI, using that image, AI will imagine that there is an object in this. We have to make a left turn or right turn, or else we have to slow down. And then another one thing is, if the driver is not staying with, it will give alerts. I am going to.
Okay, already I think this without holding the steering wheel and the parking, the way of driving in a traffic. But there was a disadvantage of when suddenly a car stops, the vehicle which is automatically driving is not stopping. Instead of it, it just crashing. So do you have any idea?
No sudden brake or nothing will be applicable. It always scans the environment. If there isn't any vehicle coming in front or back side or right side or left side, it immediately do the hazard light, which means there is an emergency vehicle. Just move away from my vehicle. And then
okay, but not every vehicle will be moving at the same speed, right?
Yeah.
Each and every vehicle will be having its own speed and it will be having the own path. But when a car suddenly stops, so what will the AI react?
For example, in today's AI, if a car moves this much speed and my car is moving in this much speed, the distance.
Okay, so you're telling it is depending upon the distance and the surrounding. So, what is your conclusion of AI?
Likewise, you are, I say the upcoming future trends in AI, they are doing done future research developments